Parties have effected amicable settlement before the mediator full stop. Statements regarding compromise were also recorded by the mediator full stop. Learned counsel for the parties state that the case has been lawfully compromised and the appeal be disposed of in terms of the compromise effected before the mediator in the mediation and conciliation center of this court full stop. In view of the aforesaid, the instant second appeal is disposed of in terms of compromise affected before the mediator in accordance with statements of the parties recorded by the mediator and the report of the mediator full stop. Plaintiff so and so who was successful in the trial but has been non-suited in the lower appellate court has come up by way of instant second appeal full stop. Plaintiff appellant filed suit against defendant respondent full stop. Ranjit Singh alleging that plaintiff is owner of suit plot measuring 10 marlas comprised of khasra number 130 having purchased it from one so and so son of Gurbaksh Singh wide sale deed dated 24/3/2005 full stop. Possession of the suit plot was also delivered to the plaintiff by his vendor at the time of sale deed full stop. However, defendant took illegal and forceful possession of the suit land in December 2006 and raised construction thereon forcefully and illegally full stop. Accordingly, plaintiff filed suit for possession of the suit plot full stop stanza. The defendant broadly controverted the plaint averments and has pleaded that defendant is in possession of the disputed house for the last 35 years full stop. His possession is adverse, continuous, open and hostile full stop. Accordingly, defendant claimed to have become owner of the suit property by adverse possession full stop. Learned Civil Judge Junior Division Bathinda wide judgment and decree dated 28/2009 decreed the plaintiff's suit full stop. However, first appeal preferred by defendant has been allowed by learned additional district judge Bathinda wide judgment and decree dated 31/8/2009 whereby plaintiff's suit has been dismissed full stop. Feeling aggrieved, plaintiff has preferred the instant second appeal full stop. I have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the case file full stop. Plaintiff has produced ample evidence on record to prove that he is owner of the suit land having purchased it from Malkiat Singh son of Gurbaksh Singh wide sale deed dated 24/3/2005 full stop. Plaintiff has produced the said sale deed and proved it by examining its attesting witness full stop. Plaintiff has also produced revenue record to depict that his vendor was owner of the suit land prior to sale full stop. Thus, ownership of the plaintiff over the said land is fully established by the defendant. Stop.